What do you want to watch?
That's Speed Racer. Pwede na may ibang cartoon? What do you like? Paw Patrol,
Kinder.
Yeah.
Oh, Kinder 2.
That's ano ba? That's Netflix. What do you
Paw
want?
Patrol.
Okay, Alexa, that was Gabi's house in ano. May ano pa nga niya?
Elaine Manzanero.
Manzanero.
At the front. 2 hands on
Forward.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, it's Mickey.
Ano email address
Is
mo?
he?
Yeah.
Email address.
Alexa.
Alexa.
Alexa Marie@gmail.com.
Alexa Marie.
Tapping at mo.
Okay. Have a seat. I'm just gonna put your shoe.
Don't tell Alexa makes she like this show.
Address. Yeah, Nani.
Okay.
Okay, take it.
Work phone.
Yourself. Okay, because
Alexa, so it's moving.
if you don't want to move these two, this will stay stuck here at the back. You look like a shark, right? With layers of teeth. I know you don't want that, right? Okay? So that's what I want you to try first. I want you to try making them really loose so that you can remove them yourself. Or if we cannot really remove them, I want you to start making yourself brave. Okay? I want you to gather your courage because Dr. A needs to wiggle it out for you next time. Okay? So I will be needing to put some sleepy juice on your tooth. So I'll put some sleepy juice here to make your 2 teeth here sleep so that I can remove the teeth for you. Okay, what is a sleepy juice? It's a medicine to make your teeth sleep so that it won't hurt when I remove them. Okay? So I want you to talk about it at home. I need you to listen to them, how it's gonna be. Okay? Brave ka ba when you go to the doctor? Yeah. Are you brave when you go to the doctor? Yeah. Are you brave when you get injection? Or?
Oh, nice. The glass is Barbie.
Alright. Okay. Alexa, can you push yourself back? Akit mo yung ulo mo dito, anak. Sige pa.
More up.
Sige pa.
More.
There. Okay, let's open wide. Okay. Yung pinakadulong mga ipin niya, Mommy, puro permanent na, ha?
Ha?
Yung dulo dito. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos ito permanent na. Permanent teeth niya para dun sa space na meron dito. Kaya
Sa likod
dito
siya
sa
pumunta.
lumabas. Okay? Ang i-check natin ay kung umuuga ito. Umuuga naman sila. Okay?
Okay po.
Umuuga naman. Pero ang problema natin, dahil nga masikip,
Hindi siya
baka hindi niya ma-push out.
Oh.
So, meron kayong choices. Pwedeng try nyo munang kayo ang mag-uga para matanggal yung ipin.
Mano-mano.
Oo. Siguro bigyan ko kayo ng 1 month. Try nyo kayo mag-uga. Kung ayaw talaga matanggal, baka kailangan kong tanggalin.
Yung sa loob.
Hindi.
Ay, ito sa harap.
Mga baby teeth. Oo. Okay? So, kailangan mo siyang i-ready kung kailangan nating tanggalin. Tsaka, alamin nyo, kailangan ko ba kausapin si Sir?
Mamaya po.
Oo, sige.
Si Daddy. Oh, hindi. Mamaya na lang, Doc.
We can, if you wanna come here, so you can have a look. No. So, for the permanent teeth,
The ones in front?
no, at the back. So,
Okay.
it came out at the back because the one that's supposed to be replaced is this one.
Hindi pa gumalaw.
Ang problem kasi dahil hindi ko naghiwala yung teeth niya. Usually around the age of 5, dapat naghiwala yung teeth.